Thank you so much for joining me today and clicking play. This is my very first YouTube video and I am extremely nervous. It's hot, all the lights are on me, I am freaking out. But calm down, we're all good. But let's get started. I wanted to introduce myself to you. My name is Diana Rodriguez. I am a graphic designer full-time that also does illustrations and enamel pins and stickers on the side. I wanted to create this channel to share my art with you and my processes as I go along my journey. Hopefully for intermediate and beginner artists, these tips come in very handy. But basically, this channel has 5 major topics. The first topic that I will cover in a lot more detail is how do you make your very first enamel pins and stickers out of your artwork. It can be traditional, digital, anything like that. I will show you some tips on how to go about it. Topic number 2, we will cover some really easy how-tos in drawing and digital painting that anyone can implement and that I found extremely helpful in both Procreate and Photoshop. Number 3, I would like to share with you some time lapses of my own illustrations and traditional artwork. And hopefully you'll find them entertaining and enjoy them as much as I enjoy creating them and putting them out there. Topic number 4, I would like to share with you some of the really fun art challenges that are out there, like draw this in your style or the 6 fun art challenges in time lapses or step by step, anything like that. You will find videos like that in here. Topic number 5, we will be covering some really easy tips and exercises you can do to get yourself out of a burnout situation with your art or an art block. And hopefully these come in handy. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications as I will be putting out videos every week, and I hope to connect with you on the comments as we go along this journey. Thank you so much for joining me and I cannot wait to meet you. Bye!